Early November is a good time to plant bulbs. You can find tulips, daffodils, hyacinths, and other bulbs at the garden center or nurseries. Planting them in a container is a really easy way to go. Start by filling it about 2/3 full with potting soil, and then add some fertilizer and mix it into the soil there so that when the roots of the bulbs start to grow, they find that fertilizer. After you do that, place your bulbs around the container. You can mix them up if you want to. They need about 2 to 4 inches of space depending on the bulb. And then once you have all your bulbs planted, all you need to do is raise the level of the potting soil, pat it down, maybe add a little bit more fertilizer, and you're done. Probably noticed that there's a lot of leaves that have fallen down. You might spend a lot of time raking those up from your lawn. Well, instead of putting them in the yard debris bin or in bags to go away, consider leaving the leaves right there at the base of your trees and shrubs. It is a fabulous mulch that will break down, feed lots of soil organisms. Best of all, it's free.
It's a great time of year to do a little bit of prep for your perennial shrubs and trees and flowers for the winter season. One of the things that you can be doing is mulching around the base of these plants so that they are protected and ready and fresh for spring. One of the things that we're going to use today is this woody mulch. And what we want to do is we want to take this debris and spread it around the base, giving it a good layer all the way around, and then spreading it out so that we have about 3 to 4 inches. What we don't want to do is put it way up against the base of the tree. That's going to hurt our tree in the long term. What we want to do instead is have that mulch kind of make a nice fat donut all the way around our plants so that it has a nice fresh layer to help suppress weeds and make things look nice come the springtime. In November, the leaves are going to be falling off your fruit trees. And if you noticed any diseases in your fruit trees, maybe you noticed some apple scab or some pear scab, maybe some shot hole fungus, those funguses are still present on those leaves, and so they're going to be on the leaves on the ground. So one of the things you can do is let's get those leaves raked up, let's get them away from your tree, and let's get them collected and out of your yard. One good option if you have city compost, that big green bin, you can be putting those leaves in those green bins where they'll be taken off and composted off-site, and that will help break the disease cycle in your fruit trees this year and have a little bit better of a time next spring.